$100,000 GME purchase? So, I close on my house tomorrow. I can use $100,000 as investment. That would be about 6,800 shares. I keep thinking that I want to either just post the pics of the purchase on Reddit or do a live video on YouTube, which I've never done before. Longtime lurker holder, just wanting to do something to shake things up and, at the very least, encourage GME longs that there are many of us that are buying and supporting this amazing company and CEO. Thoughts? What an amazing time to be alive. $100,000 buy? Sounds like a fun time. I'm jealous. If you're going to buy anyway, I'd stream and record it with doing buy lots of 100 at a time so you get more stream time. And hedgies absolutely hate rounded lots of 100 grin. What the one guy in lots of 100 of the axe. Let's may miss out on 100 or so extra to have a chance to possibly see your buys on the lit exchange. X200B. Hedgies are so fucked. I'd watch the stream. Lots of 100 would be nice to see though, routed through IEX smile. Very cool. I bought 10 more myself today, but I'd love to have 100k to spend on more. A split screen showing the chart on one side would be great. Imagine 100k shares popping the 1 minute candle. I'd also actually be tempted to just send it straight to ComputerShare and watch the daily buy. What a nice situation you have. Me tonight, honey. How would you like to sell the house right now and live with my folks for a while? Just till MOASS? Wife replies, GTFO of here. S and all you call. I personally like breaking my buys up in chunks, but you do you. NFA. Congrats, I'm so envious. Either both options sound great. These prices are fantastic too. Wonderful timing. Don't forget to DRS winking face. Gorilla ringed Planet Rocket. Financial advice, my ass s just GameStop economics 741. YT live stream is good idea. Maybe also post on X. Get more PPLE interested in GME. Also more ways to piss off hedgies. Super jealous if you actually do this. Holy hell, at these prices it would be a no-brainer for me to drop $100,000 on GME stock. Buy and stream and do what makes you happy. Hell yeah, friend, bring the energy rocket. $100,000 by dollar sounds like post-MOASS trillionaire. Is your wife in need of a BF? Grin. Is this going to be one of those an investor lost all his money on GME CNBC hit pieces? This guy fucks. Absolutely, as long as you can afford rent somewhere and have a source of income. Enfa. Good for you, ape. If I had the scratch like that to do the same, I probably would as well. Buy IEX then DRS. Auto book that way. Pick your price. Lit market price discovery. If you do, make sure it's after the ComputerShare buy-in. I'd 100 tune in and watch you buy $100,000 live lol. Dollar cost average 100 share buys at a time, like do 25 buys every month for 4 months. Note that 15:59 Eastern Time on Fridays on Quad Witching Day is the most important day to buy into. Fuck with their shorts. At that time the HF have sold people options will do their best to destroy them. That is the third week of the month. Friday. As most important if you wish to force them to lose money shorting GME. Buying a little here and there is a good strategy, ideally in lots of 100 on the options expiration date I outlined to fuck with them. The shorts will panic short and destroy themselves doing so. Happens every time. I like your enthusiasm. Have not bought in a long time. Might buy 1 share for every 100 you purchase. Just keep you and your account anonymous, of course. Post the link in the daily. If you do buy these shares, make sure to route them through IEX to ensure they hit public exchanges instead of getting internalized by some OTC pool. Then once they settle, go and DRS book them to make sure they are really yours. I'd watch your stream. Do ITTT Rocket Gorilla Gem raising hands light skin tone. Don't do anything live. Too easy to let slip things like personal info. You don't want to be a target. Remind me 12 hours. Suggest using limit orders when buying. Congrats. Up it to 6,900 shares. Buy M in lots of 169 times or do 69 lots 100 times. Do it all. You might just start MOAS right here. Root though IEX. If I were you, I would buy them before the upcoming quarter results potential acquisition news. This shit's gonna pop. Do small lots via Fidelity IEX only. Fuck Citadel. I would watch that stream, otherwise it's kinda cringe NGL. Personally, I would stagger the purchases. I think they will bring it down a little further. However, I also think recent events in other places may be the catalyst. So I also don't think there is much time. If you can, get your broker to route your order through IEX. Congrats. PFF. I'm jealous. I have the luxury of being a long-time holder, but purchases have been much smaller than the past for me. If you stream it, that would be legendary, and please make a follow-up post with reference to where to find it. To be able to invest a large sum at sub $15 feels like high fives all around. Either. LFG big balls. You're a fucking legend. Welcome to the club. Hell yeah, this is just as exciting as when Grandpa dropped some cash on GME back in the day. Go Mega Ape. Let's fucking go. Do ITTTTT. I'd watch the stream op. I always just buy what I can when I can. If I had 100k, I don't think I would do any different. Lol. Please DRS and book those shares. Thanks. Steam it lots of 100 via IEX and become a legend. Purple Heart Rocket. As a longtime lurker holder, I'm jealous as my house closed when then price was around 40. And I thought that was a good price. Can't wait to see some shorts close. Until then, averaging down. If you stream it, let me know the link and I'll absolutely watch it from work. I'd post photo. Make sure if you are on video your ACCT is protected. Would it be possible for someone with access trading data to follow what happens to the trades? If there is instant shorting, dark pool action, sell walls, etc., that immediately appear? Do it live so we can watch the ticker go down on a green candle. Dude, I would crack a beer, spark AJ, and watch the live purchase for sure. You should definitely stream it live. DRS that shit. This is the way. Edit. I have spoken. I would maybe put 25k down at a time. Look at the trend line and average down every couple months. The hedgies need the stock to keep dropping so their swaps pay out. But it can't go down forever so long as the company's fundamentals remain solid. Once the stock stops dropping, the swaps will no longer pay and hedgies aren't getting money to cover the prime broker swap interest fees. Then they'll really bleed. Nice idea. Don't forget to record it. Maybe this goes viral and more people will turn to apes. You have good timing on this. Enjoy the dip. FC King show off winking face. But I like it. Just post your DRS position when they've landed. Then ride the wave of awesomeness when you have. Do as you please, don't forget taxes. Your call, because NFA. I am also jealous, but I love you.